nothing more exciting than studying nature, and what defines nature better than its complexity? There's one defining feature of nature is that it's complex. So this is the reason why I work on this area in this current scenario of climate change. Then what makes it even more rewarding is the promise, a bit of a holy grail, that we can actually predict what's going to happen as we keep pushing the biosphere, and temperatures keep increasing faster than they ever have increased in the past. So that's a big motivating factor that keeps us going. Because our work is broadly focused on understanding how we can build more robust ecosystems or engineer their recovery, there are some very clear applications given the current scenario of human-driven climate change is one big one. And climatic warming is one area that we are actively involved in understanding its biological effects of. The other one is the ecology of infectious diseases, so the effect of human-driven changes on disease spread or the emergence of new disease, especially when it's spread by vectors which live in nature. So our work combines massive amounts of data from real ecosystems, species diversity, but also a lot on the metabolism of individuals to determine general patterns. So for example, we know that if you increase the body size of an organism, its energy use increases by something called a power law. So we use this kind of information to build feasible models of how individuals behave in ecosystems. Then we embed them in models of interacting populations, and then we scale it up to whole ecosystems, all computationally using mathematical models. And then with these models we can study various things like recovery rates or carbon balance. Then another set of massive data set would be needed to test some of the predictions of these models. Students who are interested in the interface between ecology and computation should I'd encourage them to get in touch with us and do visit our webpage where you can find more information, pawarlab.org. A lot of our collaborations are with people who have been experimentally warming or manipulating ecosystems so that some of the predictions of a model we can test with those kind of systems. So specific examples are, we've got a recent very exciting project that has started at Silwood that involves warmed ponds here, 96 ponds here, and field sites where natural warming has taken place in Iceland, Alaska, and a few other places. This is in collaboration with Guy Woodward at Silwood. The work that we do, the methods we use, the computational theoretical methods we use are complex for complex ecosystems. And so no single person in my lab or myself knows all the tools we need to address these problems. So we necessarily collaborate with people in other departments, including maths and physics, and also internationally, who happen to have the right expertise for developing these kind of models. What drives me is the desire to contribute to a unifying theoretical framework or a general one that will allow us to better predict how robust ecosystems can be engineered that can recover fast as well after perturbation.